Question 369. In which case did the Supreme Court hold that doctors also provide a service as defined in the Consumer Protection Act? Option A, VP Subramaniam Swamy versus Apollo Indraprastha Hospital Limited. Option B, VP Santha versus Indian Medical Association. Option C, Dr. Anju Anand and others versus State of Maharashtra. Or option D, Rajiv Shukla versus LNJP Hospital. Correct answer is option B, VN Santha versus Indian Medical Association. In this case, it was held that medical services are treated as in ambit of services under section 2 subsection 1 clause O of the Act. Medical service rendered against payment of consideration are in the scope of the Act.